a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Franklin County, western Jefferson County in northeastern Kansas, Shawnee County, eastern Waubonsee County, western Douglas County, Osage County, eastern Potawatomi County in northeastern Kansas, southeastern Yamaha County in northeastern Kansas, Jackson County in northeastern Kansas, western Coffee County, Lyon County, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located
That's like half of the
along a line
state.
extending from 3 miles southeast of Haybentsville to 6 miles north of Harveyville to 10 miles west of Ophir, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Topeka, Emporia, Holton, Osage City, Carbondale, Valley Falls, Rossville, Eskridge, Tecumseh, St. Mary's, Richland, Dover, Silver Lake, Auburn, Overbrook, Linden, Lebo, Burlingame, Perry, and Americus. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 128 and 162. Interstate 70 between mile markers 337 and 355. Kansas Turnpike between mile markers 117 and 195. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Topeka